map of the United States. The United States is a country. There are 50 states. This is Texas, and that is California. They are big states. This is Indiana. It's a small state. The capital of the United States is Washington, D.C. The capital of Indiana is Indianapolis. The population of the United States is over 250 million people. The population of Indiana is over 5 million people. There are 4 time zones in the continental United States. When it is noon in New York, it is 11 o'clock in Indiana, 10 o'clock in Arizona, and 9 o'clock in California. Here is a map of Bloomington, Indiana. In the north, you can see the stadium. The courthouse and the hospital are in the west. The shopping mall is in the south.